I have used Google VEO 3 completely for free. VEO 3 is so far the best video creation model for content creators. It creates stunning videos, but it costs around $269 per month. That's expensive, and small creators cannot afford it. But don't worry, there's a solution. In this video, I'll show you the exact way you can access VEO 3 for free from any country. To show you the proof, here are some samples I've tried.
Yes, that's true. I found it for free.
Let me create another one. Let's give a prompt like a gorilla beating his chest in anger and send it. It'll take some time. And yeah, it's done. That's amazing. Before showing you how to do it, you've probably faced this problem. VEO 3 is not available in some countries. Let's set that up first. Go to the Chrome extensions web and search for Urban Proxy VPN. Once you find it, add it to your Chrome. After clicking Add Extension, it will automatically be added to your browser. Once it's done, it will show your current location. Switch it to the United States, where VEO 3 is officially available. That's it. Now you can use VEO 3 for free in two ways. One is Gemini AI and the other is Flow. Both can create cinematic videos. Now search for VEO 3 on your browser, click on Gemini AI, and you'll be redirected to the page. Click on the second option, Subscriptions, and you'll see the upgrade option. Click on it. Now you'll see Google AI Pro is available for $0, which means it's free. Click on Get Google AI Pro. Google is offering a 1-month free trial. Select your payment method, whether it's UPI or card. Enter your card details. Don't worry, no money will be deducted because it's a free trial. You can cancel anytime after 1 month if you want. After entering the details, click subscribe. And yeah, you're subscribed. Now click on Go to Gemini Pro and here it is. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add files or images, but in Gemini AI, image to video still uses VEO 2, only text to video uses VEO 3. So if you want to create videos from images, you can use Flow for that. All right, let's give a prompt. A man challenging in anger. Before sending it, make sure to select the option Generate using VEO 3, then click Send. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes to generate, and there you go.
You want a piece of me? Come on, let's go.
Obviously, your output depends on how good your prompt is. That's it. As I promised, I've shown you how to use VEO 3 completely for free. You can also try Flow or use Gemini. Now go and rock it.